Today we're at the Center for Radiology Education in Sarasota, Florida, where we are hosting 650 students through the radiography program at John Patrick University, utilizing our labs and providing them with hands-on clinical skills during their practical education. We're at about a one-year anniversary. We opened the doors in July of 2025. If you need to get didactic education, you can always hire a tutor, but the reality is if you're struggling clinically, where do we go, right? And that's the beauty of this center. These individuals behind me today are all working adults, all individuals that have to pay bills and can't afford to quit their jobs, go to x-ray school, and JPU provides them with an opportunity to become an x-ray tech without changing too much of their lifestyle. And the beauty is, you see right behind me, is they're doing OR demonstrations, which is really unheard of for clinical training, but we've been fortunate enough through Brown's Imaging to provide us with an OEC 9900 where our students can get real hands-on skills and learn from an instructor prior to entering the operating room.